Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today in this video I'll be showing you guys on how you can add a flash warning to your TikTok post on your TikTok account. To do so, first of all, you just have to open up your TikTok account, and after you have opened up TikTok account on your PC, here you can see you are on the For You page. Now to upload the video, you just have to go on to upload on the top right corner of your screen. After you click on upload, it will take you to TikTok Studio. And here you need to select the video that you want to upload on your TikTok account. And after you select the video, it will show you this kind of screen where you can edit the description, and you can put the flash warning right here as well. But if you want to put the flash warning on your video as well, you can simply click on the edit video, which is below the video preview on your screen. If you don't see this edit video, you just have to scroll down until you see it. And after that, you can just click on edit video and put your flash warning there on the beginning of your video. And that's how you can edit your flash warning on your TikTok post on your TikTok from your PC. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.